Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making yummy chapli kabab. I am using half kg beef mince and adding 2 tablespoons of pomegranate seeds, 10 minutes salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of whole spices powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 green chilies chopped, half cup of fresh coriander leaves, half cup of fresh mint leaves, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, adding 1 egg. Now mix well and marinate for 30 minutes in refrigerator. After 30 minutes, add half cup of tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Before frying, add tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now again mix well. Grease your hands with oil. Take a mixture and make big kebab. Need a tomato slice. Add tomato on top and press hard. Make 5 to 6 kebabs. Now check the temperature of pan and add 5 tablespoons of oil. Add kebab with soft hands. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes each side, and please don't turn the side again and again. After 5 minutes, turn the side and press hard. Cook again for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, now it's ready to eat. You can see it's ready. Yummy chapli kebab is ready. You can serve with tomato sauce and yogurt sauce. Please like the video and share, and please subscribe my channel. Love it, eat it, and tell me how it is. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.